12 finalists all across India, and the 12 finalists are the ones who are going to be receiving the first AICT Vishweshwaraya Best Teachers Award from the honorable hands of our Honorable Education Minister, Shri Ramesh Kumar Pokhriyal Nishank.
राष्ट्रीय स्तर पर आज इस सम्मान समारोह में उपस्थित सभी सम्मान पाने वाले शिक्षक भाई और बहनों, ये भाव भी मन के अंदर आना ही आना चाहिए। और जब मन के अंदर भाव आता है तो आदमी स्वयं तैयार हो जाता है। मेरी शुभकामना और आपके परिवार को, आपके प्रदेश को, आपके संस्था को, सबको ढेर सारी बधाई और शुभकामनाएं। नमस्कार।
May I now request our Honorable Chairman, Professor Anil Sahasrabudhe sir, to please come and enlighten the gathering who are eagerly waiting to hear words of wisdom from the Chairman AICT.
प्रणाम, नमस्कार सब। यहाँ जो उपस्थित है, सबसे प्रथम भारत के शिक्षा मंत्री माननीय डॉक्टर रमेश पोखरियाल निशंक जी, मेरे एआईसीटी के साथी डॉक्टर पुनिया जी, डॉक्टर राजीव जी, कर्नल वेंकट जी, डॉक्टर सक्सेना और बाकी मंडली जो अलग अलग जगह में बैठ के ऑनलाइन मोड में देख रही है। भारत के जो हो गए थे वो श्री विश्वेश्वरैया, उनके नाम से उनके जन्मदिन के दिन पर इंजीनियर्स डे को हम सेलिब्रेट करना शुरू किया था।
May I now request all the award winners who are in attendance today to please rise at your respective place and thank the Honorable Minister of Education, Shri Ramesh Kumar Pokhriyal ji, on whose behalf the awards have been announced. I will be taking the names in a sequential manner. Dr. Prashant Pawar, Dr. Malathi R, Dr. Mohammad Yar, Dr. Jayavardhan Patel. The last recipient, Dr. Nanda Kumar, congratulating each and every award winner once again. In the sequence of events, now is the time for which everybody was waiting, and we take great pleasure in now sequentially announcing the names of the 12 shortlisted candidates for the first inaugural AICT Vishweshwaraya Best Teachers Award. As seen in the view foil, total out of 261, 27 were shortlisted, out of which 12 have been finally accepted, and the breakdown is not limited to any one discipline or stream. As we can see, we had candidates from engineering, we had candidates from pharmacy, and we had candidates from Polytechnic also who made it to the top 12. Here is the list, a detailed photography of all 12. May I call for a big round of applause. Yes, sir. The state-wise distribution of the awards for the inaugural AICT Vishweshwaraya Best Teachers: Maharashtra State 5, Tamil Nadu 3, Gujarat 2, New Delhi 1, and Chhattisgarh 1. With engineering 8, pharmacy 3, and polytechnic 1. Dr. M. Nanda Kumar from Arasan Ganeshan Polytechnic College with a specialization in printing technology with a teaching experience more than 26 years. Dr. Nanda Kumar, your certificate and the badge. The scheme is in such a manner that it will be initiated every year so as to encourage the teachers to continuously update themselves to the ever-changing needs of higher education at global level and thereby becoming an effective contributor towards the society.